Welcome, and today we've got another property tour for you, and believe me, this one is a stunner. Now, I'm Mark Garner, your local Telford estate agent, and today we're in Broseley. I've got this beautiful 4-bed detached property that's going to be coming to market very soon, and we're in a great location. It's lovely and peaceful up here. Now, it's got 4 double bedrooms. The bathroom and the en-suites have been absolutely beautifully done. We've got garage attached to the side of the property as well, separate dining room, separate study, really nice modern kitchen. This is one that you really need to get out and have a look at. So let's get you inside, show you around, and let you see what this one's all about. Follow me. Well, that's it for this property tour, guys. I hope you agree. It's a stunning property. It's a great location. This is going to make a great family home for somebody, and it's very beautifully done inside as well. If you are interested and you want to arrange a viewing on this property, then please reach out to me on any of the social media platforms that you found this video on, or you can call me on 077 89 647 226. Well, that's it from me on this one, guys. I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.